Let me share something that can change how your videos look. There is an easy way to add captions in Canva, and it's much easier than you think. First, let me tell you why should you add captions to your videos. And it is simple. Captions make videos better for everyone. They help people to watch without sound, and they make your message clearer. Plus, they look really cool when done right. Here is how to add them to your video. First, you will want to bring your video in Canva. Just pick the size that works for your needs. Maybe it's for Instagram or YouTube. Then go to the app section in the left sidebar. Click on the apps and type into the search bar Caption Craft. It has a logo with a black background and two C's. Now you need to click on the export button. After you save your video, Canva calls this exporting. You get to play with different caption styles. This is where you can really show your creativity. You can choose from different templates, fonts, sizes, and you can even select if you want to have 1, 2, or 3 lines for your captions. The great about this app is that all the captions are fully customizable. You can simply add shadow, outline, or a background. You can even change the colors for them. Just play with all the options this app gives you. What I like about this method is that it takes a little extra time, but the results are worth it. Your videos will look more professional and more people will watch them all the way through. Making great captions doesn't have to be hard. With these steps, you can create videos that look professional and reach more people. Why not try it with your next video? You might be surprised by how much difference good captions can make. And remember, every video you make is a chance to connect with your audience. Adding clear, stylish captions is one of the best ways to make that connection stronger.